Elephant Man is looking at some possible jail time for lying to immigration about COVID-19. A few days ago, dancehall DJ Elephant Man took to social media to share his side of the story about what happened at the Sangsters International Airport that eventually led to him being sought after by the Minister of Health and Law Enforcement. Elephant Man also apologized profusely in his videos for failing to accurately list all his travel destinations amidst the worldwide pandemic of the coronavirus, COVID-19. Sadly for ill, the apology was not enough as a law enforcement team rolled up to his premises and charged the No Junjo DJ along with serving him a summons. The dancehall icon has been charged with breaching Section 8(5) of the Immigration Act, which mandates that people who are arriving on the island of Jamaica, to give honest testimonies to immigration authorities at the various airports of disembarkation. While Elephant Man has confessed that he has not left his house since making his way from the airport, he will be required to appear in court on April 15 to answer to his charges. According to Loop News, a source close to the situation mentioned, he will be forcefully placed in a government-mandated quarantine facility beginning today. The fine connected to the offense in question is JMD $100.00. With such a small fine, the accused has to look at what other negatives could be derived from the situation. Elephant Man's concerns should now turn to the fact that he may see himself having a criminal record if he is convicted of his crimes. This could lead to fewer bookings and a possibility of his massive comeback being halted due to disgruntled fans. Elephant Man has already picked up a severe social media bashing following the incident, with many highlighting that the artiste showed his selfish side instead of thinking about the good of the people of Jamaica. Elephant Man was among a crew of other acts making their way from Europe, one of the worst affected areas. The energy god has confessed on numerous occasions that his intention was never to hurt anyone.